Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu (BJJ) is a martial art and combat sport that has a rich and fascinating history. It emerged in Brazil in the early 20th century and has since gained worldwide popularity. Here is an overview of the history of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. 1. Judo and Mitsuyo Maeda. The roots of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu can be traced back to Japan and the martial art of Judo. Mitsuyo Maeda, a Japanese Judo master, played a crucial role in spreading Judo to the rest of the world. In 1914, Maeda arrived in Brazil, where he began teaching Judo. 2. The Gracie family. Carlos Gracie, one of Maeda's students, was particularly influential in the development of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Carlos adapted Judo techniques to suit his smaller stature and less physical strength. He, along with his brothers, including Helio Gracie, refined these techniques into what would become BJJ. Helio, in particular, is credited with developing BJJ techniques that emphasize leverage, control, and submissions rather than relying solely on strength and size. 3. Formation of the Gracie Jiu-Jitsu Academy. In 1925, Carlos Gracie opened the first Gracie Jiu-Jitsu Academy in Rio de Janeiro. This academy served as a hub for training and spreading the art. The Gracie family began challenging practitioners of other martial arts to prove the effectiveness of their techniques in no-rules fights, which came to be known as vale tudo, or anything goes, fights. 4. Growth and evolution. Over the decades, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu continued to evolve and develop as practitioners tested and refined techniques in real combat situations. The focus on ground fighting, positional control, and submissions became the hallmark of BJJ. 5. The UFC and modern popularity. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu gained significant recognition and popularity in the 1990s when Royce Gracie, a member of the Gracie family, competed in the early Ultimate Fighting Championship (UFC) events and demonstrated the effectiveness of BJJ techniques against various martial arts disciplines. 6. Globalization. BJJ spread beyond Brazil, with academies and practitioners emerging worldwide. Various BJJ competitions and tournaments, such as the Mundials and the Abu Dhabi Combat Club (ADCC) World Submission Wrestling Championship, have contributed to its global growth. 7. BJJ today. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu continues to thrive as a competitive sport, a form of self-defense, and a means of physical fitness. It has evolved into various styles and schools, each with its own approach and techniques. BJJ practitioners can earn belts, ranging from white to black, as a symbol of their skill and knowledge. Today, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is practiced by people of all ages and backgrounds, and it remains an integral part of mixed martial arts (MMA) training. Its emphasis on technique, leverage, and adaptability has made it a popular choice for self-defense and personal development. The history of BJJ reflects the dedication and innovation of its founders and practitioners, making it a respected martial art worldwide.